What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your TikTok's profile picture. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is you want to open your TikTok and go to your profile. Once you go on profile, click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, there says change photo. Click on change photo. Once you click on it, if you want to take a photo, you want to click on take photo. If you want to upload a photo, click on upload a photo. If you want to view your profile picture, click on view photo. But we want to upload a photo, so I'm going to click on upload photo. And it's going to show me my gallery. And you can choose whichever photo you want to upload from over here. So I want to upload this photo over here. Once I click on it, I click on save. I need to wait for some time until this photo uploads. Once it's uploaded, it's done. As you guys can see, my photo has been changed. So that's how you guys can change your profile picture on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Until then, have a nice day.